Hello students, this question is taken from test series 3 from the subject electrical machines from the topic induction motors. The given question is the rotor resistance and reactance of a squirrel cage induction motor is having the resistance of 0.45, which is nothing but the reactance. The resistance of the squirrel cage induction motor is 0.45 ohms and reactance of squirrel cage induction motor is having x2 is equal to 1.1 ohm, and the machine is running at full load condition. Applied voltage is to 420 volts, which is nothing but the applied voltage is 420 volts. The machine is running at under the full load condition and having the frequency of 50 Hz, and we have to find the value of ratio of starting torque, that is TST, to maximum torque, that is T maximum. We have to find the value of ratio of starting torque to the maximum torque is how much. If the machine is running at the full load condition, the torque formula, the formula for torque is T is equal to 3 by 2 pi ns, which is nothing but synchronous speed into S slip into E2 square R2 by R2 square plus S into X2 square. This is the formula to calculate the torque in the machine is running at the full load condition. When machine is running at the full load condition, the value of maximum torque, that is T maximum, is equal to 3 by 2 pi ns into E2 square by 2x2. This is the condition for T maximum. And the value of starting torque, that is TST, is equal to 3 by 2 pi ns into E2 square into R2 by R2 square plus X2 square. Here only slip will be reduced in the starting. Slip is negligible. So we know the value of T maximum, that is torque maximum and torque starting torque and maximum torque. Then we can find the value of ratio of starting torque, the maximum torque. The ratio TST to T maximum, which is starting torque to the maximum torque, is equal to, substitute the value of starting torque, that is 3 by 2 pi ns divided by maximum torque, that is 3 by 2 pi ns into E2 square by 2x2. After solving this one will get cancelled. We'll get the value of R2 by R2 square plus X2 square by 1 by 2x2. After solving this value, we'll get the value of 2 R2x2 by R2 square plus X2 square. We know the value of R2 as 0.45 and X2 1.1. Substitute the values of R2 and X2 in this formula. Will get the value of starting torque to the maximum torque ratio, which is nothing but, after solving this value, will get the value of ratio starting torque to the maximum torque is 0.7, which is the ratio of starting torque to the maximum torque is 0.7. This is the value of ratio of starting torque to the maximum torque. In this question, we have studied about how to calculate the value of torque in the machine is running at the full load condition in the squirrel cage induction generator, and how to calculate the value of maximum torque and how to calculate the value of starting torque. Thank you.